everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is my new project. This is not my first of my new projects, but yes, I think you already see it's Playboy bunny. It's the logo of Playboy. And as you can see, it's cute, it looks nice, it looks light, it looks, I love how this logo actually looks in light blue colors, and I think it's amazing. I just love how it turns out, and it's a tapestry, so I've used hook number, let's see, this one is the hook number 5, as you can see, 5, not too big hook, not too small hook, but as you can see, this is the front panel. So I'm planning to do a pullover, a jumper for this beginning of autumn, and I was thinking about doing a tapestry, so on the front to be this Playboy bunny, and on the back it will just be plain. So I'm doing the second side of this jumper. So this is the back of my jumper, and I'll do exactly the same size but slightly more closed at the top. As you can see, I'll have to rotate it slightly here. I'll have to add a couple of rows so it doesn't just hide itself from the collar. So the collar needs to go somewhere. So the collar will be blue color. Oh, here is my little girl. Yeah, excuse my little kitty. Oh no, she wants to sit on my Playboy bunny. Gosh, naughty girl. Excuse my little baby, excuse my little girl. She's thinking, she's meditating now. Funny kitty. And I want to do the sleeves. The cuffs would be also in blue color. The edging here I plan to do in the same blue color, and I think it would just look clean, it will look stunning, it will look fantastic. I just cannot imagine how it will turn out, because it's so, I mean, the color of this blue is just so, it's kind of pale, but it's so cute. I love it. And I think this pattern, this logo, is just complementing the color so well. I even thought about doing maybe green, a green bunny like this over the white, or over the yellow background, and play around with those colors. I think it will just look too fantastic, too crazily, but I like challenges. I like experiments, so yeah, I'll give it a go. I'm not afraid to experiment, to try something new. So I love how the eye turned out, and this beautiful bow. Yeah, it's fantastic. I'll have to block it at the end, and as you can see, it looks contrasting against this white camel yarn. I would say it's more like camel yarn or stone yarn, because it's not actually white yarn, not really that white yarn. It's a bit off-white. Yeah, this is the word, off-white. As you can see, this is the yarn. Has some sort of very pale hint to it, like very pale yellow color. It's fantastic. It's acrylic, 50 grams of ball. These are 50 grams of ball. I used about 3 balls for the front, so 1 ball of a blue and 2 balls or 3 balls on the background. On my back, as you can see, I must have used I think I've used 1 already, and I'm starting this one, which is the second yarn. Yeah, Kitty, I think she likes to be famous. Kitty, say hi. Say hi to the public. Yeah, she approves my work. Do you approve, this Barney little girl, huh? And I am just having a big pleasure as I crochet this sweater. Sorry if I said I knitted, because I also knit, and I just get, I think one thing and then I say something else, but really I end crochet and knit, so please excuse me if I said instead of crochet knit, or instead of knitting crochet. Yeah, it's me, it must have been my mistake. But like in my language, my main language, we would say it's knitting with a hook and knitting with the needles. So both ways is correct to say knitting, but obviously in English is crochet. It signifies crocheting, crochet, to crochet, and knit is a separate thing, which is knitting with needles. And I've learned to separate these two words, and somehow not to get too confused or think about one thing and then I translate it differently in my brain, and then I just say, yeah, this is crochet, or this is knitting, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, this is my project. I'll finish the back, then I'll try to do the sleeves. I'll actually do the sleeves from here, like so, and it will be like a beginner kind of project, because I want everything to be a bit boxy, so a bit more geometrical. I don't know why, but I think geometrical, it will just look nice with this pullover in mind that I have. And as you can see, I think I should do it quite quickly, because the back of this jumper already is getting to a point when I finish it, so I'll have to crochet today a bit more, and I'll properly finish. Then I'll have to sew it, and then I have to work a bit on my collar there, just add a couple of rows, and to be like around the neck a bit more like a turtleneck possibly, and hopefully it will turn out quite well. I totally feel pleasure in doing this project. I even thought about doing two Playboy bunnies like this for the back as well, so the back also to have this teddy bunny on the back. But on the other hand, I thought, well, if I leave my hair loose on the back, because my hair is quite long, it would just cover this jumper if I have this little bunny on the back. And I thought it would be probably a waste of energy and a waste of blue color to actually do the back. So I decided to do a plain back. Hello everyone again. This is my finished jumper. I've made the collar, as you can see. This is the Playboy bunny. This is the edge of my jumper, and these are the sleeves. I did the cuffs here as well, as you can see. The construction of this pullover was quite simple, because I wanted for this bunny to kind of look massive and big and funky. So I thought I'm going to do a simple construction, and I have crocheted all of it, and as you can see it in my pictures where I'm wearing it, all it looks very good on me, because I think it turned out to be quite successful. Even my mom gave me a compliment that this jumper, it's actually turned out to be very good, very successful, very eye-catching. And if you want to do a jumper like so, a sweater like this, you can also do the same thing like me, doing the tapestry in the center, and then you just worked around and you add another pieces, plain pieces, and you play with colors a little bit. So I made sure I've used blue color all around, as you can see, and it looks all balanced, finished, and the touches of this pullover turned out to be quite good. I pretty much like how it turned out here even, and the cuffs are fantastic, and the edging is also fantastic. I love it. I am absolutely in love with this piece. It's easy to make. It's only front stitches, crochet stitches. You do single crochet all the way. Even when you do the bunny, you do single crochet. And as you can see, it's got a nice little bow here, bow detail. Yeah. I want to make another jumper like this one, exactly like this one, but in pink color, and I think it will turn out even better. I think it will look very nice, also with contrast background with this white color, as you can see, and I'll combine pink with this white color, because I still got plenty of this color. Also in acrylic yarn like this one I'll be making it, and hopefully I'll show you this project when I'm doing the in color pink. It should be quite nice, quite amazing. And hopefully you're going to like it as well. I'll also make pictures and talk about this project, this vlog, in pink color when I'll be doing it. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing and for liking my videos. I'm Anna Vanila, and I'm really thankful to you for watching my channel. Please leave positive comments, and whatever ideas or thoughts you might have about what I can do on my channel, you're welcome to. I'd like to make more bags on my channel, actually, because I did make a couple of bags, but I didn't do any videos with it. So I would like to make bags. I've done a couple of hats. It's time to do a couple of bags too. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Love you.